So, is this laptop real or fake? We are about to find out. I got this laptop for myself. Yes, my old laptop is behaving some way, so I decided to get a new one for myself. Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, on this channel we talk about how to import things from China, Dubai and other countries. And also, if you want to start or build your own business, don't forget to hit the notification bell below and subscribe to our channel for more opportunities like this. So in this video, I'm going to unbox the laptop I got from China through the XIANYU app. I mostly talk about the XIANYU app. Let's unbox this package with me. I bought different packages where I want to improve my video quality and my editing skills. So let's unbox this package together with me. Okay, this is the knife I'll be using. You can use any knife or maybe any scissors you have. Where do I start from? Whenever I buy any gadget from China, whether phones, laptops, gaming consoles and others, I normally ship them through air. But this package really took a long time for it to arrive in Ghana. It took almost more than 3 weeks for it to arrive in Ghana here. Normally, I'm someone who doesn't like giving pressure, but this one, it was keeping too long. So I asked my shipping company, what happened? Then the shipping company explained to me that it's because of this recent war, Iran and the US war. That's why flights are delaying and a whole lot. They were giving me excuses. So I was like, you let me give them some time because they are very good. And you see, every shipping companies have their bad days. So I decided to give them some few days and see how things will go. So after 2 to 3 days, they called me that, oh, my package is ready. And I went there personally to pick up my items because it wasn't only the laptop I ordered other gadgets too, like the Osmo Pocket 3, tablets, phones and other gadgets. I'll be doing more unboxing video for the other items I bought from XIANYU apps. My package arrived safely in Ghana because of how the supplier has packaged my laptop. Kudos to him. This laptop also came with a charger. This is Type-C charger. You see how it is? If you are planning to buy things on XIANYU app, especially if you are someone who wants to start your phone business, maybe laptops and other gadgets, make sure you get someone to guide you. Because on XIANYU app like this, there is a lot of scammers. Here is our laptop. This is Dell Latitude 7400 2-in-1 360. Core i7, 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. And this is the supplier I bought this laptop from. This laptop looks very clean. Honestly, if someone told me this was a brand new laptop, I would have probably believed them. The body feels premium, it's slim, it's lightweight, and you see this silver finish also give it that expensive look. I really like it. See how smooth the laptop is. Honestly, if you're a photographer, a graphic designer, a student, I think this laptop will really help you. So this is where I'll switch on my laptop. The laptop was off, so I decided to charge it a little and continue the process for you guys. And also remember, any gadgets you buy from China is mostly in Chinese, so we have to translate them into the language you want. This laptop looks amazing. The performance is great. The touch screen is smooth. The 360 hinge, that's my favorite part. It's one of my favorites. Let me stop you here for a minute. If you've been wondering how I import my laptops, phones and other gadgets directly from China without using any agents, I have something special for you. We've created a XIANYU Gadgets Importation Masterclass where I teach everything step by step from beginner to pro and even how to start your own phone business. And the good news is we are currently running a 50% off promo on the masterclass. It's only available for the first 20 people who register. So click the link in my description to grab your slots now. You see how flexible the laptop is? Yes, you can fold it into two. If you're someone who doesn't like typing every day, You can also use it as a tablet, yes, and the screen is also touch. Right now, I'll just go and check the specs about this laptop. Go to my computer, then click on About to check the specification on this laptop. There are 4 different ways where you can buy your gadgets from China to Ghana or any African countries. The first one is 168 app. The second one is Pindodo. The third one is XIANYU app. And the last one is having access to the supplier's contact. I'm sure many people will be wondering, how can I translate my laptop from Chinese to the language I want? For me, I'm in Ghana, so I want English. You just have to go to settings on the laptop, click on language and time. Then you click on language. After selecting the language, click on add language. Yes, you see there is only Chinese here, so you click on add language, where a lot of languages will pop up for you to choose from. I'll select English from here, UK English, because in Ghana we normally use UK standard. After selecting the language, you click on add to list. After clicking on add to list, they want to confirm whether you want all maybe your text, your voice notes, and other documents to be in English. Then you confirm yes. So after confirming everything, it will download and take about 2 to 4 hours for you to translate it into English. Yes. After that, you restart your computer for everything to appear in English. And I'm sure most people will be wondering, how much did I get this laptop for? I got this laptop for less than $400. In Ghana cedis, less than 4,000 cedis. Yes, and it includes shipping and delivery. Everything is included. I got this laptop for less than 4,000 cedis. And we know the market price for this laptop, especially for the 152 gig, is around 5,000 cedis to 6,000 cedis. Some are even selling it around 7,000 cedis in Ghana here. So let's say if you are to start this laptop business with this capital, let's do the calculation together. Including shipping and everything, the laptop was 3,950 Ghana cedis. When you bring it to dollars, that's around $320 to $330. You see, it's even less than $400. Let's continue. So now I want to be selling this laptop for 5,500 Ghana cedis in Ghana here. The market price for this laptop is around 5,000 to 6,000 cedis, or even more than the 6,000 cedis. Some are even selling in 7,000 cedis for the 512 gig SSD. So we are going to subtract the cost price of the laptop, including the shipping fee and delivery fee, from the market price. That's the selling price. And this is the profit we'll be making from just one laptop. That's 1,550 Ghana cedis from just one laptop. So imagine getting 5 laptops to sell to people and see the profit you'll be gaining from it. So let's do the calculation for 2 laptops and see the profit we'll gain from it. And you see the profit you'll be gaining from it from 2 laptops, 3,000 cedis as a profit. With this 3,000 cedis, you can use it to buy a different version, a different laptop, and come and sell it in Ghana. And I'm sure many people will ask me this question: where and how can I sell my laptops, and who can I sell my laptops to? One of the best places to sell your laptops is university campus. Sell your laptops to students on campus, and trust me, you'll be selling it fast and be making more profits. Because students use their laptops for everything, for their assignment, for their projects, for even online examination. They use it for almost everything. So most of the time, it's better to sell your laptops to students on campus and be gaining more profits and sell your items very fast. And also you can sell it to web developers, graphic designers, content creators, videographers, and many other people. All this can happen if only you learn how to import your gadget from China to Ghana here and be making more profits. I also got this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 from the XIANYU app. I'll be talking more about it in my next video, the price, whether it's original, and everything about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell below for more content like this. Yes, and I'll be leaving the link in my bio if you're interested in registering for a masterclass course for our XIANYU Gadgets Importation class. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.